Hello everyone, this is CS Vlogs. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for my latest videos. So अभी हम जा रहे हैं दौलताबाद हिरण्य रिसोर्ट. वहाँ पर एक बाइकर्स मीटअप है जो रोड रनर्स ग्रुप ने अरेंज किया है औरंगाबाद में. So अभी टाइम हो रहा है almost 3:15 and the meetup is at 4 o'clock. So I will be going right now. I will be going to KTM Aurangabad and then from there more riders will be joining us. And that's it guys. So let's go. So अभी हम जाएंगे दरगाह चौक. वहाँ से हम जाएंगे KTM शोरूम and all the way to Hiranya resort. So we will be waiting here for more riders to join. Welcome back to the channel guys. Everyone has now arrived. We are now heading to Hiranya resort. Let me introduce to everyone. So we have Aniket on his R15, Arman on his RC, Jayesh on his RC 200. We have Vaibhav and we have Govind. It is really hot right now. The time is almost 4:30 and we are here waiting for the signal to turn into green. अरे ग्रीन होता का नहीं? अरे सिग्नल खराब है क्या ये? टाइम भी नहीं है इधर तो. Oh God, it is so hot. चलिए औरंगाबाद का बहुत टेम्परेचर है. बहुत धूप लग रही है हमें. Almost.
A few moments later.
Nice bikes, Buza. So let me show you how many bikes, which bikes are there. We have here bike hall. Really nice shop in Aurangabad who sells nice helmets and many more gears and many interesting things. Please do visit bike hall. It is at Kranti Chowk. I will put a link in the description below.
We are going for a short ride till Daulatabad Ghat and back to Hiranya.
Here we have Dream Suzuki. We have the GSX-S 750 and the Hayabusa. All premium bikes. So let's explore this place. Holy shit. Hello.
My viewers can hear me, I'm sure.
We also have Oggy here. Oggy F. Wow, this is so nice. For the first ever time in Aurangabad, this is the biker meetup. Everyone is now going. I should be getting on a bike right now.
A few moments later.